So, Hurricane Florence right now is a Category 2 hurricane. Yep. And its satellite imagery has really shown how much it has formed in the past uh, few hours. You could see how well it's organized at the moment. SpaghettiModels.com is showing, sorry, my bad, that's space weather. Spaghetti Models. There we go, SpaghettiModels.com. Um, I can't really click on because then if I click on open image in new tab, over there we go. That's what I wanted to show you. As you look, this is where we are right now. Most of the models say it's going to get stronger, maybe up to 105 miles per hour, and then it's going to weaken suddenly. In fact, yesterday, just the previous advisory, they said it was going to be here and it was going to weaken to like here. But now that's not going to happen. In fact, they said it was not going to even become a hurricane. So as you can see, the models are not sure what's going on, but they're still saying there's going to be some shear. So if it becomes a Category 3, it might weaken to like a 1 and then blow up once again into possibly a major hurricane. And then from then on, it's probably going to either go northwest or west. Because right now the models are all over the place. But the European model is pretty adamant of making a southeast landfall. It showed the same thing on Monday, actually. Same thing Monday afternoon. But last night, it had something different. Last night's run, which was 00Z Tuesday, had it over here. It had basically an opening. You see this right here, a cold front. Basically a cold front coming through. See the cold front. Cold front gets pretty far to the south, forms a weakness between these two ridges, and allows Florence to find a way out. However, the latest run, you still see this cold front, but it's further to the north and weaker. Stronger high builds in compared to last night. It's further west. It's about the same strength, but the weakness is a little weaker. So, because the weakness, which will allow the storm to go out, is weaker, the storm doesn't go north and east. In fact, it goes further west. In fact, and then another high comes in and once again forces the storm to go west, and then has it impacting South Carolina, and then probably going to cause a lot of rain for the East Coast. And remember that cold front. Between these two high pressure systems, a low forms. The Coriolis effect. So it gets it to spin together. 24 hours later, forms a 1,012 millibar low. 24 hours later, gets stronger, moves further to the south into warmer waters. Water temperatures are in the upper 70s here. Water temperatures here are definitely not fully conducive for a hurricane, but for tropical development, they are conducive. And look at this. Storm is at 33 degrees north. 43 degrees west. The water temperatures here are definitely marginal for tropical development. And there have been hurricanes that formed out here. And then look what happens. It goes west-northwest. It's on 37 degrees north, 51 degrees west. So this blocking high. And right now, the models of NavGem, the hurricane models, look what has the storm doing. It has it making landfall in Bermuda. Yep, has been making landfall in Bermuda as a strong hurricane, and then possibly impacting the East Coast as well. So Bermuda, usually when a storm hits Bermuda, it's either going out or it's going north. Now, this is a very, very rare occurrence. Like, if this storm takes this track, it hits Bermuda, and then it hits the East Coast. That might be the first time a hurricane has ever done something like that. I don't know of a hurricane that hits Bermuda and hit the East Coast. Like, this is unfathomable. Pressure right now in the storm is actually 976 millibars, so this is way off. So this storm is probably going to have even lower pressures than that. Might actually be Category 4 hitting Bermuda. I don't know. I mean, this is definitely a monster. First, you have a high here. Basically, this entire area is a big ridge. But it's not letting me see mean level surface anomaly, so... another good model I look at is an Icon, which... yeah, it's definitely off on the air pressure as well. But look, hits Bermuda as a hurricane, then has it barreling right towards the East Coast. Got a high right here, blocking high, probably going to force a storm right into North Carolina, and or probably the Mid-Atlantic states. This is very, very bad. I mean, the fact that the model's already hinting this, that it could potentially hit the East Coast, it's a very, very bad situation. Thermodynamics. Okay. As you can see right here, see there's a high right here. So yeah, this is definitely gonna create a monster. Look at this, right over Bermuda, right, like maybe just a little, yeah, right over the island, and then look at this. Some of the models are hinting of something, maybe some weak low pressure system developing off the coast, and that may actually be what will pull the storm west. The European model doesn't really hint on that. It hints more on just being forced west because of a blocking ridge. So yeah, right south of Bermuda, very close to Bermuda. Definitely advisories and watches and warnings will be issued for Bermuda, and then right into the Carolinas. Another really reliable model, the JMA. This is from the afternoon. Yeah, has it going up, going out like that. Um, so yeah, probably not going to happen either, unless that cold front gets stronger than expected and forms a weakness between the high. This is a wave model. This is a wave height model. Shows wave heights. And look at this. Dang, look at this. I mean, this probably shows a sparing the East Coast. Because look, you see how it's going west, 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 right just south of Bermuda. See the little dot right there. See the little dot right there? That's Bermuda. And then has it going west, north, has it going northwest. And you can see this is the direction. So basically, this is the direction the swells. I mean, this is the direction the storm is moving. But I do see it doing something like that. This is a very close call for the East Coast. This is like really, really close. This is like a monster hurricane. This is like a storm right between Bermuda and the United States. You'll definitely get some coastal impact, maybe some onshore winds, some coastal rains. But definitely there'll be huge waves here, waves up to 20 feet right off the coast of North Carolina. I think there might be some tropical storm watches or warnings issued for the coast if this happens. And look, possibly another system developing here. Also, this storm right here shows that the swells will be so big from this that they're going to propagate in all directions. Because as you can see, they're going to be showing propagation now. Swells are going to be first, moving in all directions here. See the point right here, that point right there. Really. Adjust the screen a little bit. That's the direction the storm's going to be moving. Maybe it's already going to be turning direction. It looks like the East Coast might get spared from that. Wait, yeah, this shows a miss for the East Coast. This is probably one of the operational. Look at this. Yeah, but the operational run of the GFS shows something completely different. It shows a very close call. In fact, loop, and then it shows, remember that storm I was showing you earlier? And look at that. Has it going to the Caribbean and then up the coast? Yeah. In fact, the GFS ensembles, look what the GFS has the storm doing. But you know what this is right here? That's because of a remnant of one of the models has a monster hurricane going into Florida. One of them. See that right there? It's only 1 out of 20 and it actually shows right here. So most of the models, it's going to do something like that. It's going to go right near Bermuda, and then go west, and then go north, and then. But most of the models have it going out like that. But unfortunately, the European now has a landfall, which is really bad. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I wish you all the best. Bye.